Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Amma. My name is Nurul Isatusna binti Shain. My metric number is AP240328. So I would like to introduce our assignment project for question number 3. In this project, the primary objective is to determine the density of a member sphere. To achieve this, we compare two methods. For number 1, which is the displacement method. This method uses Archimedes' principle, where the sphere is submerged in water and the volume of water displaced is measured. This volume is equal to the volume of the sphere. Once the volume is known, the density can be calculated by dividing the sphere mass by this volume. For number 2, which is the geometric method. The radius of the member sphere is measured using a vernier caliper or similar tools, and the volume is calculated. Using the same formula for density, the sphere density is determined and the member sphere is selected because it has a near perfect spherical shape, making it suitable for both methods. The goal of this is not just to calculate the density, but also to evaluate and compare the precision and practicality of the two methods. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Ahmad. Today I want to talk about the chosen object for our project. The object used in this project is a marble. A marble is a small spherical object typically made from materials such as glass, clay or stone. Its perfectly round shape makes it an excellent representation of our sphere in geometry. For this project, the diameter of the marble was measured to be 10.5 cm. Using the formula, the radius was calculated to be 5.25 cm. This simple calculation highlights the importance of the marble's spherical shape in understanding fundamental geometric principles. The uniformity of its design makes it a practical example for applying and exploring concepts related to sphere.
Good morning and good afternoon, Dr. Amma. My name is Karthik and my matrix number is CP240023. On this slide, I would like to discuss about the derivation of the volume of a sphere using the integration method. To begin the equation, we need to use the formula of the sphere in 2D, which is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And also by using the disk method, this area of each disk can be represented as a open bracket y close bracket equals pi r squared minus y squared. By integrating this area over the bounds of the sphere, we should calculate the volume. By given formula, the volume equals x pi open bracket r square minus y square close bracket dy. So in the next step, we need to substitute the r, which is 5.25 centimeter, and into the formula, and we should evaluate the integral step by step, which is you should put your value of r with the volume, which is 5.25 square minus y square dy, and after solving the equation, you should simplify to get the formula for the volume of a sphere, which is volume equals 4/3 pi r 3. And finally, by substituting r equals to 5.25, we should calculate the volume as 606.13 centimeter 3. This approaches us to show how demonstrates the integration helps to derive the volume formula systematically. Now, by using the same method and moving on to the next slide, now we would like to discuss about the formula which can be applied using an algebraic method. We should start with the general formula for the volume of a sphere, which is volume equals 4/3 by R3. By this chart, in this slide, we can see the radius of R is already given as 5.25 centimeter. So by substituting this value into the equation, we should proceed as it follows, which is volume equals to 4/3 by open bracket 5.25 close bracket 3. After simplifying this equation, the calculated volume should be 606.13 centimeter 3. This method also directly applied to derive the formula without requiring integration, and which makes it faster and more straightforward for practical calculations. Thank you.
Hi Dr. Amma, my name is Muhammad Adam bin Mat Tajuddin and my matrix number is AP240005. So right now, I would like to present about comparison of method. So there are two methods, which is integration method and algebraic method. So let me start from aspect purpose. Integration method are to find the area under a curve or solve differential equation, while for algebraic method are to solve equation, simplify expression, or find relationship. Other than that, for aspect typical use, integration method are finding areas, volume, solving differential equation, and more. While for algebraic method is to solving equation, factoring expression, working with algebraic structure. Last but not least, for aspect complexity, integration method can become computationality, intensive for complex function, while algebraic method generally simple, through complexity increase with larger system or more variable.
My name is Siti Alia Nadira binti Saharah Hamdi, number matric AP240185. Now, I want to explain about the application of the marble. First, we need to substitute the value R equal to 5.25, and then we need to calculate 5.25, and the answer is 144.70. And then 144.70 we need to multiply with 4, and the answer is 578.8, and then 578.8 divided by 3, and the answer is 192.93. Replace pi with 22/7 and calculate 192.93 with 22/7, and the answer is 606.36. 606.36 divided by 3, and the final answer is 202.12. 202.12 is the units of the volume.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Dr. Amma. Good evening. My name is Raja Muhammad Firhan bin Raja Adnan, no matrix AP240028. So I would like to present my part, and the last part for my group is about conclusion. So in the project, we explore two different methods to determine the volume of a marble. First, integration, and second, algebraic method. Both approach provide valuable insights into the mathematical principles behind volume calculation. This method is essential for understanding how volume is calculated from first principles, and demonstrates the roles of calculus is three-dimensional geometry. The comparison shows that integration is crucial for theoretical understanding, while the algebraic method is more efficient for practical applications. Since both methods yield the same result, this confirms the accuracy of the sphere's volume formula. Overall, this project highlights the importance of both calculus and algebra in problem solving, while integrations help in deriving formulas and understanding mathematical concept. Algebra simplify their application in real world situation. So that's all for me. Thank you.